Hi, this is Zak Mir with the US Chartbreakers here at Zak's Traders Cafe for Wednesday the 24th of May. Starting off with the S&P, where our fears of a potential bull trap have come true. We had the push towards 4,200, and remember some institution saying that's where you should sell the S&P. Obviously, so far that's worked. Risk is now below 4140 in that August resistance line. We're going to test the 50-day moving average currently at 4090. The good news is that's still rising, so that does provide momentum to the upside. And I suppose now really we're just waiting for actually a break of 4200 on a sustained basis rather than just the break of that August resistance line that we had before for the big breakout. But obviously things could change with the debt ceiling news, and we are at the mercy of that at the moment in what is a bit of a binary bet. On to the stocks, and starting off with a new stock here, Alpha Teknova. Here, nice bounce off the lows. Good strong RSI support line there with the various lows that the shares have made. But RSI support line there, turning the shares around. Punctured the 50-day moving average there around $2.35. Above that, we're looking for the top of that falling trend channel at 360 and maybe up to the 200-day moving average, the black line there at $4.20 by the end of next month. Upside valid while we're above recent support around $2.10. Moving along to a stock which is looking very strong indeed at the moment, Bioventus, and here nice W-shaped reversal, rising 50-day moving average near the low as well, and just looking for the shares to break through the $2.50 area in a sustained basis. If they can do that, could be up to $5 at the top of that broadening triangle from November as soon as the end of next month. But $2 looks like the support area, and hopefully above that up to 5 by the end of June. On to a stock which is another new face, CI&T in fact. Broadening triangle base there from back in February, broken the 50-day moving average around $4.50, and above that we're looking for as high as $6.30 by the end of next month. Nice bullish divergence going into the turnaround there, which is normally a decent momentum signal, as is the way we've recovered the old March support around $4.50 as well. One of the biggest risers yesterday was Healthcore, and here you can see that, we're trying to map out what the trajectory may be. Resistance on the way down was around the $1.80 level, and above that we're still looking for the shares to fully or partially retest yesterday's spike. Best case scenario target while we're above $1.80 would be up to $4.20 by the end of next month at that old June resistance line projection from last year. Moving along to another potential ongoing winner, let's say. Here we've got Lifecore, and the situation here is that we've had a bear trap island reversal, bear trap island reversal, so gapping down back in March and gapping up this month above the 200-day line at $7. We're looking for the top of that broadening triangle there from back in the summer of last year, as high as $11 by the end of next month. But even while we're above the floor of that gap there at 580, we've still got a chance of pushing higher towards the $11 area. Moving along, and another stock which is on the front foot is Iovance, and here we've broken the 200-day moving average. That was around the $8 level. Above that we're looking for $12 at the top of that broadening triangle from the summer of last year. That resistance line there just shy of $12, hopefully a target that will be hit by the end of next month while we're above the 200-day moving average. Moving on to a stock which is just starting its bullish journey. Here we've got Lipocine, and here the second time breaking the 200-day line. Well, actually this time we're closing above it, so that is a plus, and above the 50-day moving average at $5. Looking for at least $6.30 initially at that January resistance line. Best case scenario target over the next couple of months as high as $11.50 at the top of the September broadening triangle. One of the favorites here on the US Chartbreakers and the most active in the market is Palantir. And here we've got a situation where the share's still making good on the double gap higher over the last few weeks. Our initial target here was around $11. Above that, we're looking for the April 2022 resistance line projection as high as $15.20, and that could happen as soon as the end of next month. So well done to the bulls there. Just a couple of stocks to go now. First one is Portage, and here looks like a potential falling wedge breakout, so 330 plus, and we could be looking at a move to the 200-day moving average at $5.30 plus by the end of next month. If you're cautious, maybe you wait for 390 or so to be broken, which was the old initial May resistance for the shares, but at least while we're above the 50-day moving average around $3.10, it looks as though this is a potential recovery situation. Finishing off with Sunsweet rather, and here a beautiful unfilled gap to the upside that we had at the early part of this month. We've got a golden cross buy signal this week, and looking for the shares to make decent progress. One potential target is one I'm drawing at the moment at that resistance line there from back in May last year. That's at $8.20. Hopefully we'll see that by the end of next month, while we remain above the latest swing low there, around $5.70 to be safe. So above $5.70, looking for $8.20 on Sunsweet by the end of next month. That's it from me today. More updates tomorrow.